In today's video, I am going to teach you how to apply shortcut to Google Chrome extension and enable it with your keyboard. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You will see the three-dot menu icon there. Click that icon to open the main Chrome menu. From this menu, move to Extensions, and then select Manage Extensions. After the Extensions page opens, direct your attention to the top left corner. There you will find the three-line menu icon. Click that menu to reveal more options related to your extensions. From the list that appears, select Keyboard Shortcuts. Once you are on the Keyboard Shortcuts page, scroll through the list until you find the extension you want to use with a shortcut. When you locate the correct extension, look for the field labeled Type A Shortcut. Click inside that box, and then press the key combination you want to assign on your keyboard. For example, you might choose something like Ctrl, Shift, and X if that combination fits your workflow and is easy for you to remember. As you enter the shortcut, Chrome will register that key combination for the extension. It is a good idea to choose a shortcut that is simple, comfortable to press, and not already being used for something else in your browser or on your system. After the shortcut is entered, it is usually saved automatically, so there is no extra save button you need to press. At that point, you can test it right away by using the keyboard combination you just assigned. That covers everything you need to know.